Hi guys, I welcome you on my channel. It is Baloch and Move. Thanks for coming and joining me. I'm here in a small town of district Gwadar, Balochistan. I came here a couple of days ago, but I couldn't make any videos because before I came here I was thinking to make a lot of videos or vlogs, and I was very excited about it, but when I came here I found out that the people here are very camera shy, and yes, because it's a very backward area. I mean, the people are afraid when they're talking with a stranger, or when they see a guy with a camera in front of them, they would be thinking of something. They why this guy is coming to them and talking to them about something or anything, so they just keep avoiding you. So that's why I decided that not to disturb the locals. Anyways, I'm here in the room, and actually this room is my friend's room. He requested him that his friend is coming from Karachi and is going to stay here for a couple of days, so he requested him if he could stay here. Then his friend said it's okay. This room is actually for the guests who are coming from the other places or cities outside Pasni. Anyways, I'm staying here. It's a nice place, nice cool place, but the problem is the electricity. The power goes off, on and off. So sometimes when I came here the day before yesterday, there was no light in the evening. From, if you can believe me, from 9 p.m. till the next morning. I mean 11 in the morning the light came. You could say that there was no light for more than 12 hours. But anyway, it's not a very big city. It's like a small town, so I don't mind it. But the weather is cool here, not very hot or like the other cities in Pakistan, like Karachi or Hyderabad or Lahore. Like that, it's okay. It's cool. The nights are very cool here. Pasni is almost 100 kilometers from Gwadar, and Gwadar is known to everybody. There's developed as CPEC is a new project between Pakistan and China. It's a Chinese-Pakistan corridor. That's why they call it CPEC. So the Gwadar is almost 100 kilometers from here, and here in Pasni you don't see many people from outside the city. Mostly 99% people you see here from from this city, from Pasni, or even just a few from Gwadar or nearby other villages. So I'm here for a couple of days, and I will be going to the beaches if there are some beautiful. Yes, of course, there's some beautiful beaches here, and there are some sand dunes. So this is the room where I'm staying here. It's a basic room. You don't have to do anything. You just have to come here for rest and sleep and stay for a while, and then you just go outside. I come here in the evening and sleep here. I eat my breakfast here, and then I leave. So this is the room, you can see. Sometimes the kids from the others, oh there you see, these are my neighbors. These are my neighbor. Look at her, she's very scared of the camera. I don't know what she's thinking. You see, I told you that here people are very come on, let's speak. Come on, speak now. What is your name? Tinam chiye?
Zaidi.
Yes, I'm asking what his name is. He said his name is Zaid. Tinam chiye chotu?
Shinam Anas, Shinam Muhammad.
Yes, this is Anas. Anas? And there is no man. No man, they are brother. They're brother? Yes, they are brothers. Come on, Biana, Bia Varkali Kapkani Bia. Torsmana. Tinam Chi.
Channel Anas.
Ana what Bogoshi? Tinam Chi. Ana Sabar Naga.
Yabarka.
Golachinagoshi Chia. No man, he's very shy. He's crying. Hey, gear my Chinese spirit. It will see. Oh, yes, they say they're scared, so they are leaving. They came to see me. Okay, see you.
Yeah.
It was again. Oh, yes, they are gone. They were just afraid that what that guy is holding. So yes, I was telling you that I'm staying here, and this is their kitchen. This is the kitchen, but these days no one is cooking here, so everything is outside. I don't cook here. And this is the washing machine here. And yes, there is a big tree, a big neem tree in the middle. And there's a water tank here, but there's no water inside this water tank. And this is another kitchen, but this kitchen is no longer in use. They say that they use it when in the summer when it's very hot. And I will show you something else. And yes, I was going to show you something else, and these are the things I wanted to show you. I don't know if you could see. Yes, I don't know if you can guess these two. This one is bathroom, and that one is toilet. And you can see there is no door here and no door here, but instead you can see a curtain instead of a door. So if someone is if someone is going to use the bathroom, they're going to pull down the curtain. Let me show you. So if the curtain is pulled down like this, it means someone is inside, someone is taking a bath, or it is in use. And that one, there's no one here. So if someone wants to use the toilet, you can go there. And if you would see the same like this, the curtain is pulled down like this, so it means someone is inside. Even there is no door, someone can see that it is in use. Someone is using the toilet, so you better wait. You better wait unless the curtain is pulled up again. So now, for example, you can see this, that someone is already inside the bathroom, and someone is also inside the toilet. So you gotta wait. Yeah, that is how they are going to use the bathroom and toilet here. So this is it, and you don't want to see what does it look like from inside, so you can guess. Everybody already knows how bathrooms and the toilet looks like. So that's it. And the another thing, this is another kitchen. In the Philippines, people call it dirty kitchen. Dirty kitchen means not really dirty, but an outside kitchen. And they also use these wood sticks to start a fire. They also cook using the gas burner. This is the gas cylinder. They also have a gas cylinder here. Yeah, this is the cylinder. They use it if someone wants to cook using the gas. So this is how a small house looks like here. That all the houses may not look like the same here, but this is just the house where I'm staying, so I can tell you about this house. How does it look like? So there are also houses with no walls, literally. They don't use the I mean cement blocked wall like this. But instead they are using the curtain all along the sides. They're using the curtains or woods like this. Okay guys, now it's time to say bye for now, and we'll continue in my next video. So take care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching, stay tuned, have a great day. See you in my next video.